Good morning, children. As you know, the first chapter, categories of computer and computer language, is going on. In previous topic, we were discussed about the language of computers. Now today we will discuss about two more languages, that is high level language or third generation language. What is high level language? This is also called third generation language. Now see, the low level language works computer. This led to the development of another set of computer language that could run on any type of computer. The low level language work computer a low level language work computer. This led to the development of another set of computer language that could run on any type of computer. Yes, this computer, this language work on the computer, and this language is involved, or you can say it provide a facility to develop another set of computer. It support to develop another set of computer language that could run on any type of computer language. Means it language is this type of language it can run, which it develop the computer set which can run on any type of computer. These computer language are called high level language. Just because this type of language can run on any type of computer, that is called high level language. LLL. High level language are similar to human. Means this type of language is similar to human. Similar to human means this type of language human can also understand. They are easier to read and write. This type of language is easier to read and write. The first high level language were designed in the 1950. Some popular high level languages are C, C++, C hash, Formula. These are the first level languages in example, and they are developed in 1950. That is language C, C++, C hash, Formula. Translation Photon beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code, that is basic and common business oriented language COBOL. Next is the features of high level languages are as follows. It is user friendly. It uses English word and mathematical operator which are easier to learn. It is user friendly in the sense, children, it it is very easy that can understand everyone who is not computer, not technical, that person also can understand this type of language. It use English word and information operator. Yes, because this language is use English word and mathematical operator like plus, minus, add, division, subtraction and all, which are easier to learn. It has to be converted into machine language which is time consuming. Yes, this language, it is a quality of this language. It is in English which is user language, and it first convert into a machine language which is time consuming. Next, fourth generation language. The fourth generation language is our modern high level. 4GLS are designed to reduce the overall time. Fourth generation language is modern, that is called modern high level, and fourth generation are designed to reduce the overall time. Is this type of language is very easy and very speedy, which control over all time in very minimum, in very short time it can understand and it give the result. Effort and cost of software development. Some popular fourth generation languages are according to effort or according to cost of software development. The some popular generation languages are PL, SQL, FoxPro, Stata, Oracle, and Visual Basic are some example of fourth generation language. The features of fourth generation languages are as follows. It is machine, it is more user friendly as compared to third generation language. It has a very high speed of execution, yet its speed is very high for the execution. It run in very less time. It makes a programming easier. This type of language makes a programming very easier, which user can also write and understand easily, and machine can easily understand because it convert in a very less time. Our artificial intelligence languages are fifth generation languages. Artificial intelligence languages, it is a very good or very qualitative features of the computer. Artificial intelligence is the technique with which machine is made to sign and take decision like human beings. Fifth generation language are still at the experimental stage. Artificial intelligence is the technique, children, which human collect artificial intelligence according to humans thinking, and it collected and it install in build or install into the computer. Through this, in computer can understand our things and it responds according to us. Fifth generation language are still at the experimental stage. Yes, during this time there was a revolution of in computer languages. There are many languages were developed on that time, being developed for the future. For the future, once developed, these language will make the computer solve a given problem without a programmer. When this type of language developed, then computer can solve all the program without a programmer. No need, computer has no need to a programmer. It can also solve any complex to complex problem. Robots are an example of system. As you know, the robot do anything of itself. Now, working with artificial intelligence from fifth generation languages are Mercury, OPS5, and Prologue. These are the example of artificial intelligence